Carol and Mike here. We are in Pendleton, South Carolina. It is a weekday, so there's traffic close by, but we're sitting in this cute little square area here in the downtown area. There's all kinds of little shops and restaurants very close by. We did actually eat in one of the restaurants. It's very, very good. Highly recommend this place. Pendleton is in Anderson County, South Carolina. The population as of 2020 was just over 3,489. It is on the National Register of Historic Places. It was laid out in 1790 and kind of been unchanged since then. Cute little quaint downtown area, but also a beautiful countryside is close by too. So there's 2 historic homes that you can take a tour through. You have to, look online and see when, you can go see them, because there is a fee. And there are tour hours and everything like that. In fact, we're going to see the Ashtubla. I probably am messing up the pronunciation today, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, if you would like to live in the Pendleton area, we highly recommend it. It's adorable. And in fact, we have 2 buyers buying in the area. So just down the street. Yeah, just down the street from here. So be sure and feel free to. Got a cute little children's boutique. Cute. Oh. Very patriotic store. Wow, so this is very close to Clemson, South Carolina, so a lot of Clemson memorabilia and clothes, socks, all kinds of little goodies. And then this yummy bakery is over here. Yeah, I'm sure Mike will want something from there. Okay, we're early in the morning, so I don't know if this place is open. 1826 Bistro. Yeah, it's not open yet. Cute. Their hours are Monday through Saturday, 11-ish to 5:30. Yes, so we are kind of hanging out in the downtown square area, and it is adorable. Plenty of shops and restaurants. So Pendleton, South Carolina is one of the best places to live in South Carolina. It's in Anderson County. The public schools are highly rated. You're close to Clemson, South Carolina, and of course Clemson University is very close by as well. The median home price at this time runs around $290,000. The population is around 3,447. If you love history, this place is just full of history, past and present. There's several historic homes in the area that you can tour, but you have to, get a reservation, and there is a fee. This is a very local bed and breakfast, very cute. So yeah, we just love the area. There's a lot to offer here. If you like, kind of the small town feel, this may be a good fit for you. And as always, if Mike and I can help you find a house in the area, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you out. It's what we love to do. We love helping families move to South Carolina from all over. And we thank you very much for joining us. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.